Oy.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, BJ. And if you want to see your family alive, you come and meet me at 129 Ruiz Street.
Ayaw ka. Ano kailangan mo, ha? Pera? Ano?
No, it's not about money. Basta pumunta ka doon. Naintindihan mo?
Kailan ang balik mo, Grace? Kung kailangan mo ng tauhan, nandito lang kami.
Wala na akong nakikitang dahilan para bumalik pa rito. Hello?
I have my means, Grace. I think you're forgetting I've been the leader of a syndicate for a long time. Gusto kitang makita, Grace.
Bakit ko naman gagawin yun? Jay, please, huwag mo sasaktan ang anak ko. Please, Doc.
But you got the message, Grace. Ikaw na lang ang kulang dito sa reunion natin. Halika na dito. Don't you want to see your grandson and your son? Why all the people, Grace? I thought we were just gonna talk.
Sa'yo lang ako natuto maging si Kristen. Are you okay? I'm here. I'm here. Hayain mo na sila.
It's not that simple, Grace. Malaki din ang atraso sa akin at ng anak mo. How many of my plans has he ruined?
Hayop ka.
What? You thought you were going to kill me? You remember something, Grace? No one gets to kill a devil like me.
Sige na! Patayin mo na ako! Huwag mo lang itadama yung pamilya ko.
That's a good idea. You know, Grace, I want you to remember this for the rest of your life. Ano ba? Ano ba, Grace? Masikip na? How do you feel now?
Jackie? Jackie? Jackie, gising. Jackie, gising. Jackie, gising. Jackie, gumising ka. Jackie! Jackie, gumising ka, Jackie! Jackie, andito po doon. Gumising ka.